Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to update your profile and information on LinkedIn. Keeping your LinkedIn profile current is essential for making strong professional connections and ensuring potential employers or clients see your most up-to-date qualifications. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your email and password. After signing in, you'll land on your LinkedIn homepage where you can see your feed and various menu options. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice your profile section with your name and photo. Click directly on your profile to view your full LinkedIn page. This is where all your professional information is displayed, from your headline to your work experience and education history. Now that you're viewing your profile, look for the pencil icon that appears beside your profile picture and basic information. This pencil icon is your gateway to editing your main profile details. Click on it to open the editing interface. A window will pop up allowing you to update several key pieces of information. Here you can modify your first name, last name, additional name if you have one, your professional headline, current position, the industry you work in, your education background, your location, and your contact information. Take your time filling in or updating these fields to accurately reflect your current professional status. Once you've made all the necessary changes, click the Save button to confirm your updates. LinkedIn will process these changes and they'll be reflected on your profile within moments. Now, if you want to update other specific sections of your profile beyond the basic information, simply scroll down through your profile page. You'll see various sections like experience, education, skills, and more. Let's say you want to update your experience section. Find the experience area on your profile and you'll notice another pencil icon beside it. Click this pencil icon to access your work history. Within the experience section, you'll see a list of all the positions you've added. Each entry will have its own pencil icon next to it. Click the pencil icon next to the specific job you want to edit. This opens up the editing window where you can update details like your job title, company name, employment dates, location, and the description of your responsibilities and achievements in that role. After you've finished updating the information for that particular experience, click the Save button. Your changes will be saved immediately and will now appear on your profile for anyone viewing it. And that's it. You've successfully updated your LinkedIn profile and specific information sections. This process works similarly for any other section you might want to edit on your profile. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.